Okay, this is Desi's litter, and of course one of them has to go right into the house. Hey baby, that's actually Rosa, or Darlin there. She's available. Hey sweetie. What, huh? Come here. Come here, I can see you. Come here. Come here. Me see you. No idea whose puppy you are, or who you belong to, but this is the one with the spot and the slash, so... But that's one of the girls. Let's see which. Come here, sweetie. Actually, I think that's Becca right there. Come here. This one I think is a girl. Yep. This is actually Dahlia. She's available. She's got blue eyes. You're fine. Yes, you're just fine. And here's little Chief. Here's little Chief. Hi, buddy. Hi, Chief. Hi, Chief. Come here, buddy. But this is Jared from Clark's boy. And he's okay with the bi eyes, so... Hey, Chief. Are you a good boy, huh? Are you a good boy, huh? Yeah. And that's, must be Rosa over there. Let's see, that one missing up right behind me. But that's Rosa over there, and she's available. And this, let's see, I think, this little girl walking right in there, that's 10 Brittany's girl. So, come here, sweetie pie. Don't remember, but she's got one little spot here. I don't remember what I named her, but she's doing real good. Ted Brittany, this is what her mouth looks like. What? But I had the vet look at her, and the vet said that her lip is healing really good. It looks really good, like it's all going to close up, and especially since she was so young. So. Jared from Sioux Falls, this is your puppy. This is your little boy. So, he's got blue eyes too. And pretty much I think everybody in this litter has blue eyes. I don't know why all of a sudden everybody's getting brown eyes and bi eyes in the different litters. But, hey, sweetie, hi. But this is Desi's litter. Oh, and these guys are going to be 4 weeks old this Monday too. Same as Nolly. So, hey, puppies. What, huh? So, but like I say, there's 4 girls available in here. And I think that's it, because 1 girl and 2 boys are spoken for, so there's 4 girls available. And that would be Darlin right here. Actually, I think that's Rosa. Let's see, come here. Oh no, that's Darlin. Because Darlin has oh, come here, you're fine. Come here. Has a little bit of marks on her face here. And Rosa over there is an open face. Let's see if I can go over there and, whoa, look out. Get over here and get a picture, get a look at her face here. See, you can see where she's more of an open face. Hey, baby. What? Hi, sweetie pie. Hi. But that's Desi's puppies, and like I said, there's 4 girls available, so, and I think it's one of the girls in there, she's a black and white open face, so she's one of them that's available, and then a dark one just like back there. I think that's actually the girl back there, yeah, because that's Chief. That's the little girl right there that's available, so. But like I said, these guys are 4 weeks old, so they're ready to go the second, 3rd week of September.